from the social science research, I'm also in the research of Internet of Things. I'm designing and inventing a system to better monitor the plantation operating systems using IoT technology and also devices. For example, the drones, the agricultural drones, is one of the IoT devices. I'm using these drones, first of all, to monitor the ripeness of the fruits. It will have the functions of color recognition, and it will recognize, it will collect the data of the color of the fruits. This is to recognize and to determine the fruits has already reached the color for harvesting. By using this kind of technology, you can recognize which durian belongs to Mozambique.